Hi guys, this is Kumar. Welcome to my classroom. Today we are going to learn about metric conversion. That is how to convert one unit of metric system into another. So as you know, we are using a metric system for all our measurements. So we need to convert one unit of the metric system to another in a lab. So before I start that, I need to tell you one story, which goes like this. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Although it sounds kind of silly, but this is going to help us in converting the metric conversion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first alphabet or the letter of the word in the story and write down here. So first word was king. I'm going to write down K here. Henry, H. Died by drinking chocolate milk. So what I did was I took the first letter of each word in this and wrote here. So King Henry died by, let's put this as B, drinking chocolate milk. So what does it stand in metric conversion? So this K stands for kilo, and this stands for hecto, this for deca, and this we take as the base. And this D is deci, this is as centi, and this we use as milli. So this is kilo, hecto, deca, base, deci, centi, and this is milli. So what's base? Let's take care of the base. So base in this is, we are going to, in length, when you're measuring length, the metric unit for length is meters. And the metric unit for volume is liter. And metric unit for mass or weight is gram. So we write this in the middle, that is meter, liter, and gram. So what we're going to do is we are going to write here kilometer, hectometer, and deca. This we take as dA. And deci is going to be dm. And centi, milli. Likewise, this is going to be kiloliter, kl, hl, and dl. Sorry, this is going to be dA, l, dl, cl, ml. Likewise, this is going to be kilogram, hectogram, decagram, decigram, centi, milligram. So this is your table. So your table should look like this. So it has all kilometer, hectometer, decameter, this for meter, this is for gram, this is for liter. So each unit has its value. So the value for kilo is 1000, for hecto is 100, deca is 10. The value for deci is 0.1, centi is 0.1, and milli is 0.001. So if you look at the pattern, when you go from the center to the left, the value becomes bigger. And when you go from the center to the right, the value becomes smaller. So how we're going to use this, I'm going to teach you in the next slide. So how to use this table for the unit conversion. So here's the thing. You can only convert the units of gram or the length or the mass from one to each other. So there cannot be like transition from one unit to the other, like from liter to grams or from mass to volume or volume to length. So only you can go is from the units of the length conversion from kilometer to hectare and hectare to deca, like that. So it cannot be like hectogram to hectoliter. So it goes in a straight line for conversion. So let's take an example. Suppose you want to convert 673.1 grams into it's how many kilograms is that? So how to do that? Let's look at where is gram. So gram is here and kilogram is here. So for converting the gram to kilogram, you have to move left. So that means how many to the left? This is going to be 1, 2, 3 to the left. So what we're going to do is, so you start from the decimal where it is, and in grams to kilograms, you have to move the decimal to 1, 2, 3 places. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 places. So how much is in a kilogram? It's going to be 0.6731 kilograms. So the key is, if you want to see that which is the unit from where you want to convert to which unit, you have to move the decimal from that. So let's take another example for this. So suppose you want to convert the liter to milliliter. So let's see, 10.0 liter equals how many milliliter? So for that, here is the liter and here's the milliliter. So how many places you're gonna go towards, right, is 1, 2, 3 places. So 3 places from here means 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna fill in the space like that. So it's going to be 10,000 milliliter. So the key is here, like if you're moving how many places to convert that unit to another one, that you're going to move the decimal. So let's take another example for our understanding. Suppose you're going to convert 6423 centimeter to is equal to how many kilometers? So let's see, where is centimeter? Centimeter is right here and kilometer is all the way up at the other corner. So let's see how many places you're going to move the decimal to. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to the left. So if there is no decimal, we assume that it's at the last. So here we put the decimal, it goes to 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many centimeter is like 6423 centimeter is equal to how many kilometer? It's equal to 0.06423 kilometers. So that's how you convert from one unit of metric system to other. So we are going to practice more in the classroom about this.